Knowledge is a garden. If it isn't cultivated, it can't be harvested. No shortcuts exist to the top of a palm tree. The axe forgets, but the tree remembers. Do not call a dog with a whip in your hand. One falsehood spoils 1,000 truths. Tomorrow belongs to people who prepare for it today. Examine what is said, not who is speaking. No medicine exists that can cure hatred. Once you carry your own water, you will remember every drop. To try and to fall is not laziness. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Use your smile to change the world. Don't let the world change your smile. No one is as blind as the one who doesn't want to see. Each one of us walks a path shaped by unseen battles and quiet hopes. Respect the journey you can't see. Kindness grows in the space where judgment ends. Be in a place where you are appreciated, not needed. Not everyone who stands with you is loyal. Some are only loyal to what they gain from you. Your worst sin is that you have destroyed and betrayed yourself for nothing. When the queen in chess and the conscience in a man die, the game is over. Wisdom is not knowing everything, but in listening deeply to what life whispers. No matter how beautiful and well crafted a coffin might look, it will not make anyone wish for death. He who digs a grave for others might as well be digging it for himself. Sometimes wisdom means staying quiet while others loudly express their ignorance.